Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best LED pods are probably one of the most versatile lighting solutions on the market, offering a powerful and energy-efficient way to illuminate any environment, from rugged off-road adventures to subtle interior decor. Whether you're upgrading your vehicle's lighting, enhancing your home's ambience, or illuminating a workspace, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting the perfect LED pod for your specific needs, ensuring you get the best performance and value for your investment. Number 5. Nilight 18W LED Light Bar. These powerful LED lights are perfect for any adventure. With a super bright spot beam, you'll see further than ever before. High-quality LED chips emit a bright white light. The concentrated spot beam illuminates long distances, reaching 1260 lumens. It features an adjustable mounting bracket. This allows you to easily change the direction of the light beam up to 45 degrees. The specially designed die-cast aluminum alloy cooling fins keep it cool. This extends its lifespan to over 30,000 hours. It's IP67 waterproof, submersible up to 3.3 feet for 30 minutes and dustproof. It's ready for any weather condition. This kit includes two 18W LED light bars and mounting brackets. They are designed to fit almost any vehicle. What we like. It boasts incredible brightness and a super long lifespan. Its adjustable mount lets you precisely control the light beam. If you need a versatile, durable light with a long lifespan, this is the one for you. What people say. The build quality is solid and rugged, perfect for off-road use. They throw out a powerful, clean white light that greatly improves visibility at night, especially in rural or unlit areas. As described online, and great quality. Arrived fast. Bright and focused. I was pleased with the quality and weight of these lights. Easy install and perfect lighting. Number 4. Nilight LED Light Bar Kit. Get ready to experience superior illumination with this powerful kit. It's designed to transform your night drives, providing unmatched brightness and visibility. It boasts a combo beam with a triple row design and reflector cups. This unique combination maximizes light efficiency, ensuring you see and are seen. The broad reflective plates on each side allow for multi-angle refraction. This creates ideal ambient illumination, enhancing your overall visibility. It's built to withstand the elements. The seamless protective housing and waterproof glue ensure it's dustproof, waterproof, and shockproof. With a 12-foot wiring harness, it's compatible with most 12V vehicles. Install it on your Jeep, ATV, UTV, car, motorcycle, or boat with ease. The kit includes one 20-inch LED light bar, two 4-inch cube LED pods, and a 3-lead off-road wiring harness. Everything you need for a seamless installation. What we like. This offers a powerful triple-row combo beam for ultimate visibility. It comes with a wiring harness, making installation a breeze. If you need a complete kit with broad compatibility, this is perfect for you. What people say. Very impressive quality and brightness. Easy to install. Great, heavy-duty wiring harness. Slide adjustable brackets were a huge plus. Installed on my Polaris 6x6 Ranger. Use the big light for the front and the two small lights for the reverse lights. On a moonless night I can see 100 feet behind me clearly. In front at least a good 250 to 300 feet. Brightness is slightly brighter than my HIDs and high beams on my 2015 Silverado. But much more light flood output. Number 3. 4120W LED Light Bar. These LED light pods deliver bright, white 6000K rays for superior visibility. With up to 12,000 lumens, it illuminates the road ahead with clarity. It features a combo beam design with a 170-degree flood beam and a 30-degree spot beam. This provides both focused light and wide-area illumination. These lights are built with thickened die-cast aluminum heat sinks for efficient cooling. This ensures a long lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. They are IP68 waterproof, effectively preventing water and dust from damaging the lights. They're ready for any weather condition. They are perfect for trucks, SUVs, ATVs, boats, and more. The package includes two 120W LED light pods, mounting screws, and a 1-year warranty. What we like. This provides high-intensity visibility with a combo beam for both distance and area coverage. It also has an impressively long lifespan. If you prioritize brightness, coverage, and longevity, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Wired these up on the back of my truck under the rear bumper for night low light work. Very bright. These lights are crazy bright and they were super easy to install. This was a very simple 1-2-3 install. They look amazing and sleek with outstanding performance when compared to factory headlights, as you can see in the pics. Very bright and powerful, and only draws a small voltage when compared to the factory halogen lights. 16 watts per light is a good amount of light for the price, solid feel, good spot, decent flood. Number 2. OFFROADTOWN 2 PCS LED pods. These LED cubes boast 10 high-powered CRE LED chips, producing a brilliant 10,000 lumens. They light your path with a 6000K bright white light, enhancing visibility without harsh glare. Experience the best spot beam pattern. They're designed for high-speed driving, projecting a powerful beam up to 150 meters. This ensures exceptional visibility even at 70+ mph. These lights are incredibly versatile. Use them as driving lights, fog lights, reverse lights, or even ditch lights. They're compatible with a wide range of vehicles and mounting locations. Built to last, these LED pods are housed in rugged 6063 aluminum and feature a shatterproof PC lens. They're IP68 waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof, with a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. These lights are IP68, CE, and RoHS certified. Your purchase includes two 3-inch LED pods, mounting brackets, and screws. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This delivers incredible brightness with its best-in-class spot beam. It's built to withstand the toughest conditions. If you need superior brightness and durability for high-speed driving, this is the ideal option. What people say. These lights are very bright and we install them on our equipment. Our fork truck has 4 of these mounted on it. The light output on these is pretty good. I can realistically see about a 30-degree beam of light, and it extends probably 100 to 150 feet or so before it gets dimmer. They seem like they are pretty well built, at least enough to take some rock chips on the highway. Works great, very bright. I used a harness that add a strobe function to these. I work for a cable company, so on the side of the busy roads, and needed something to be kept visible at night. Number 1. Auxbeam XP Ultra LED pods. These lights boast 9,600 lumens and 80 W of power, providing incredible visibility for safer night driving and off-road adventures. The TIR optics focus the light beam for maximum efficiency, eliminating stray light and providing a more concentrated beam than traditional designs. They offer a combo beam. The spot beam cuts through darkness, while the flood beam illuminates a wider area, perfect for various driving conditions. These lights come with white covers, but you can easily swap them for amber covers, ideal for fog or dusty conditions. Installation is quick and tool-free. With a durable die-cast aluminum frame, impact-resistant lens, and waterproof rubber seals, they're tough enough for any adventure. Installation is a breeze. They come with easy-to-follow instructions and a plug-and-play wiring harness for a quick and hassle-free setup. Rated IP68, they're completely dust and water resistant, ensuring reliable performance in any weather. Your purchase includes 2 lights, covers, wiring harness, and installation kit. Plus, you get 24-hour customer support. What we like. It features ultra brightness thanks to its TR optics, and interchangeable covers for versatility. Installation is a snap. If you value brightness, focused light, and easy customization, this is for you. What people say. Very sturdy and feels heavy in my hands, unlike some other brands. Solid build, nice hardware. Flood style with the amber lens makes for great fog lights. Not too bright, no one high beams me now, unlike my OEM white fog lights. Lumens are pretty bright, and this company built the light bodies like a tank. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.